energy transformations that occur in a circuit. I love how everyone has their cameras off because Ms. Neville is recording this lesson. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this party started, right? So let's look here at our first example where we drew this last week. We see an electric circuit where a battery is the power source, and then electrical energy is being carried through this conductor. After all, that's the job of a conductor. The job of a conductor is to carry energy from one place to another. And when that energy is traveling through that copper wire, that's electrical energy. So we see that our power source here would be, please draw this. I think we've already done this. Chemical energy being transformed into electrical energy as it travels through that copper wire. And then when it powers this light bulb, it's going to transform into radiant light energy and thermal energy because that bulb is going to get hot. Okay, it's going to get a bit warm. Okay, and so this is just one type of energy transformation that can occur in a circuit. It's important for us to know, if Ms. Neville's going too fast for you, I'm recording this lesson so you can go back and get the notes. It's important for us to know that there are many energy transformations that occur or happen within an electric circuit. Please write these notes down. There are many energy transformations that occur within an electric circuit. This is because of the different types of varieties of loads, that's the object that's being powered, and power sources that we can use with an electric circuit. So let's write down these two bullets in our notes, and then we'll be moving on. Please make sure you write down both of these bullets. And we're going to look at some different examples of electrical circuits today. Guys, the screen's going to go black for a minute. I apologize. Okay, it should be back. Let me move this so everyone can see the notes. Miss Neville's about to go on. Remember, if Miss Neville's going too fast for you, this lesson is being recorded. So you can just click pause on the lesson when it's sent out to you at 9:30 and watch it on your own time and take your notes in a slower pace. So in your notes, let's write down example 1. You don't have to draw the picture, but I do need you to write electric fan plugged into an electric socket. Now, this time we have a different power source and a different load. In other words, our power source is what produces the energy for our circuit, and the load is what's being powered. So this time we're not using battery and a light bulb. We're using an electric socket and a fan. We still have that conductor here. We still have that copper wire in our cord. But now let's look and see. You need to write down example 1, electric fan plugged into an electric socket. Okay. So let's talk about what energy transformations we're seeing here. Guys, the screen's going to go black for a minute. Noah, did you finish your science test? Please unmute yourself. Noah, did you finish your science test? So guys, what energy transformations are we seeing here? Someone can cut on their mic and let me know. What energy transformation are we seeing first here?
Electric.
Very good. Electrical is the first type of energy that's going to come here in our first blank because that power is coming from that electric socket. So electrical energy in our socket, that electrical energy is going to travel through our copper wire. And then that fan, the blades are going to turn or move. What energy transformation are we seeing there?
Kinetic.
Kinetic. So what's written down here is electrical energy transforms into kinetic energy. Please write that down. Ms. Neville's about to go on. Example 2. Hopefully you can see the little GIF moving. Example 2, once again, you don't need to draw the picture here or the moving image. I want you to write down example 2. Hand crank generator charges a cell phone. Hand crank generator charges a cell phone. What energy transformations are we seeing here? Why would Miss Neville say that kinetic energy is starting this? What's he doing? What's the power source? Him moving. Then electrical energy that transforms through that conductor. And then radiant light energy, because it makes my cell phone light up. Thermal energy, because our cell phone gets a little bit hot on the back, that battery gets a little bit hot. And then chemical energy, because it's charging the actual battery of the cell phone. So this is the energy transformation we see here. This is still an electric circuit. I'm still using that copper wire conductor. Energy is still being transformed from one place to another, but we just have a different power source and load. Please go ahead and finish writing this down. Once again, if Ms. Neville's going too fast for you, this lesson is being recorded so you can go back and get the notes that you need. It'll be available to you as soon as class is dismissed today. Give me about 5 minutes. Okay, so let's talk about